How to improve video quality in CapCut. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can improve your video quality on CapCut. Open CapCut and import your video. Now there are two methods from which you can increase video quality. One is a free version and the other one is a pro subscription. For the first one, select the video clip and tap on Adjust from the bottom panel. Inside Adjust, you can start doing your color correction. You can increase or decrease brightness. You can also play around with contrast. There are also other options such as saturation, brilliance, and sharpen. You can use these features to increase your video quality. Now this is a free version and you don't need a pro subscription to do this. At the top right corner, tap on 720p. Now you can increase the resolution, frame rate and code rate. From this way also, your image quality will get increased. For the next method, go to Adjust again. From the top panel, select Video Quality. Now here tap on Image Quality. To get this feature, you will need Pro version. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.